Hello, my name is Ben Lee, and in this video, we're going to look at replacing a defective CAN device. In this scenario, my INEO at 321 is defective, and it's been replaced with a new unit. So if I do a search, we see that the new device shows up. So what we need to do next is set this new INEO to the address of the device in the existing database, and then send settings to the new device. The way to do this is open a second version of iCANSoft. Ensure that you have a connection to the network, and then search to verify that the devices are found. Once the devices are found, simply right-click on the INEO or the device that needs to have its segment and node number changed, and change it to the existing segment and node number of the device that's being replaced. In this instance, that is 321. And then click OK. Now we're going to go back to our working database. We'll clear our list and search. And now we see it found an INEO at 321. So next, close the search. And then we'll go to the device, right click, and choose Resend Device. And then yes, this will send all the data from the database to that new device. I would then recommend testing the device's features, or if it's a time clock device, I would recommend setting its time, or if it was another device like the TSI-1 and there was touch screens, I would load the configuration for the screens and then test and so forth. I hope this video was informative, and thanks for watching.